You're so cute. Look, I'm gonna try to give you this tweet. Looky. Looky. It's okay. It's okay. Take it from me. Here you go. Here. Here. You want a tweet? Are you acquainting yourself right now? Take the tweet. It's okay, I promise. It's okay. It's okay. Look. It's yummy. I mean, you don't have to have it if you don't want. Just that you don't want it. That you don't want it. Okay, I'll put it over here. I'll put it over there. You can go get it if you want. Yeah. You see, I try to figure out what's going on. Oh my gosh. Did I get a yawn? I just got a yawn on video. I got a hamster yawn. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't care about anything else in life.